In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively reconcile your accounts using Zoho Books. This is an essential task for every business, ensuring that your bank records match your accounting records, helping you identify any discrepancies and keeping your financial statements accurate. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to Zoho Books. If you haven't used Zoho Books before, start by logging into your account on their website. It can also be accessed through any modern web browser by typing in Zoho Books in the search bar and following the link to the official site. This software is designed to simplify complex accounting tasks, making it a go-to resource for many professionals, so take a minute to familiarize yourself with its layout if this is your first time visiting. Once you're logged in, head over to the banking section. You'll find this as part of the main dashboard on Zoho Books. The interface is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring you can find everything with ease. Click on the Banking tab to open up a list of all your linked bank accounts. Zoho Books allows seamless integration with multiple banks, making it convenient to manage all your financial data from one place. Next, select your active bank account from the list. If you have multiple accounts linked, it's crucial to ensure that you are reconciling the correct account. Scan through the list and click on the account that you actively use for your business transactions. This step is important to ensure accuracy in the reconciliation process. Once you've selected your bank account, look for the Settings option. This will typically be found either as a drop-down menu or a clickable button on the bank account's dashboard page. Click on Settings, and you'll see a range of options available for managing your bank account integrations and features. From the Settings menu, select Reconcile Account. This will take you to the Reconciliation tool, a powerful feature that compares your bank statements to your recorded transactions in Zoho Books. This tool makes it easy to identify discrepancies, such as duplicate entries or missing transactions. It also helps you verify that all transactions have been entered into your records correctly. Congratulations, you've now completed the process. Reconciliation is a key part of maintaining a healthy fiscal policy as it ensures that your financial records are accurate and up to date. Remember, regular reconciliation helps prevent and identify errors early, safeguarding your business against potential financial discrepancies. If you have more accounts to manage, repeat these steps for each bank account, ensuring each set of records is as accurate as possible. In this tutorial, we've walked through logging in, navigating, and using the reconciliation features in Zoho Books. Spend some time exploring the other features of this powerful tool, and you'll find that managing your business finances becomes a much more manageable task. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your accounting processes.